Hello friends, today we will see what is CSS, introduction of CSS. So let's start. CSS is the language we use to style and HTML documents. CSS describes how HTML elements should be displayed. Here I already wrote one example. So this is the body tag. Here I already wrote one example here. Okay. In the index.html file, there is a style tag. Inside of the style tag, we define CSS. Okay, this is the body tag H1 and P. Okay, these are the CSS. Okay, so CSS stands for cascading style sheets. Long form of the CSS is the cascading style sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. Suppose I will run this in the browser. We will see. Okay, this is the blue color, this is the white, this is the black color. These are the CSS. Means HTML define the content, only content, and CSS define the layout of the page. Which color we used, which font we use, which size of paragraph, which size of text we will use. This define CSS. Okay. Here is the body tag. In the body tag, there is the background color. Background color is light blue. This is the body. Whole body means whole page. Background color is light blue. This is the CSS. CSS defines the layout of the page. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS file. There are three types of style sheets we used. Okay, this is the internal style sheet. In the style tag, we use CSS. This is the internal style sheets. External style sheet, here we define in the external file. CSS define in the external file. This is the external style sheet. And inline style means here. In the HTML code, here in the H1 tag, here we put style is equal to color red. Okay, this is the inline style. So three types styles we define in the web page. First is the inline style. Second, internal style means in the page. Inside HTML page, inside of the head tag, there is one more tag, is the style tag. We define style tag. Inside of the style tag, we define here CSS. And other is the external style sheet. External style sheets means we create a new file. This is the .css file. And here we define CSS. This is the external style sheets. Clear? Okay. CSS is used to define style for a web pages, including the design, layout, variations in display for different devices and screen sizes. Suppose these are our output. Okay. We define red color here in inline style. Okay. The CSS, using CSS, we use these screens displayed in different devices. This screen display fit to the different devices. Using CSS, this is possible. In UI language, we can say responsive. Using responsive, we can handle, using CSS we can handle responsive. Okay. HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page. Like this one. HTML defined to describe the content of the web page. But CSS define layout of the web page. Okay. This is the introduction of CSS. Thank you.